Conversation 1.
Excuse me, where's the restroom?
It is down the hall. Just turn right and you should see it.
Thanks.
It should be open, but if it is locked, just tell me.
Okay, thank you.
Conversation 2.
When is the last shuttle bus?
Actually, it should be here right about now.
Really? I don't see it.
It should arrive any minute.
Okay, thanks. Will it be full?
It shouldn't be crowded this time of day.
Conversation 3.
Can you recommend a hotel?
Sure. I would stay at the Regent.
Do I need to make a reservation?
You shouldn't need to. It's not peak season.
Can I pay by credit card?
Yeah, it shouldn't be a problem.
Conversation 4.
My head is killing me.
Oh, lay down. That should help.
Can't. I have to work.
Take some aspirin then?
You think it'll help?
Yeah, you should feel better after a while.